Okay guys, welcome back. Let's going to see how we can save our models. We learn how to model them and train them. But let's see if we want to save them. How we can save them. We have a code here that says, here I think. Okay, I hate the wireless mouses. They are always lagging. Okay, let's copy that. It says that for saving model you can use this code. Okay, let's put it here. The error is error for I in range model dot stri. Okay, let's see what the model is, what the code is doing. For I in range 1 to 15, it's like up model dot kneighbor classifiers, it's okay. ll pickle dot dom model open model strwb. It's completely like the how we save the model here. There is not one right way to the solving the problem. There are many ways, and sometimes you use this for saving. Okay, no, sorry, this for saving. Sometimes you use this. This is not important. What it is doing, it is, let me make it a little more funnier. How? As you can understand, we are going to copy this LL and put it here. I want to add something. Let's at first run this code. Pickle is not defined. Let us import pickle, import pickle. I think I don't write pickle right. Pickle. Okay, I imported it right. Xtrain, we must fix them. Let's go and fix them. Xtrain. The program is all about fixing. If you see the other programmers that are creating courses, then they are great and all the thing is good and they were just doing greatly. These are right, but they do years of coding, and sometimes they are just making you believe that they are doing everything right and on time. They were training before giving you the lecture, and they are training a lots of time on the matter to make a amazing lesson. Okay, let's see. We have 15 models. It saves all the models for the neighbors here. Let's make something tricky. This means nothing for us. Let's put something in the models to make them better and better. Here, we have 2 lines of them. Let me delete this line. stri plus. Let's say plus str. Error no. Error I plus we write here str error. Let's see what it gives us. The error I is not list out of index. We should do a -1. Let's see our model. As you can see, let me delete them and run it again. It's so dirty. Okay. As you can see, it's giving us the model, the neighbors, and the errors, and we just learn how to save them. So beautiful, and we can load them too. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.